So I just received the Boblov small camera from Amazon minutes ago. I unboxed it. Everything as advertised is here, the pendant, and I haven't opened that yet. But what I questioned was the packing, and I kind of put this back together. These kinds of flap tabs, they typically have like a sticker or something over there indicating that it hasn't been opened. There wasn't one on this, so for all I know, it's been opened before. Stands to reason because potentially this may have been returned and then they just put a little bit of glue back on here. So this is the alligator clip, okay? That can be affixed to your shirt or whatever. This is the holder that the camera sits inside. It snaps in there, okay? All I did is exert enough pressure to open these and it popped right off. Like, I didn't even get it a tenth of the way open like that and it snapped right off. So come on. Why does Amazon even sell this crap? Did I get a faulty device because the seller just decided to, re-glue it and resell it? Like, come on. That's pretty bad. Not impressed. I did read Amazon reviews, but of course those can be subjective. Who knows who's actually submitting those reviews? I did watch some YouTube videos, but half the videos I see are Amazon sellers themselves. I'm pretty savvy when it comes to Amazon. I would never buy anything that has a high return rate. This didn't. Other similar cameras did. Anyway, I'm not happy. I'll be sending this back. And just to warn people, sure, I mean, some people might keep it. They might not want the alligator clip, but just from what I'm guessing, if you want to shoot horizontally, you'll need this to put on your shirt so the camera shoots horizontally as opposed to vertically. The magnetic pendant, it'll hold this vertically, but it won't hold it horizontally. And anyway, not impressed.